bend both your knees up here.
Yeah.
And so you're bending better on that right side.
Okay.
Can you go whole right leg up as high in the air as it'll go? Beautiful. And then whole left leg up as high in the air as it'll go. And hair better on that left side too.
Okay.
Curl up from here. I'm gonna try and uncurl you, and that is not great.
Uh-huh.
Now if I just hold the hips there, try that again. Good. And so that'll actually correct for that rotation we were seeing in the video.
Okay.
Curl up from here. And that one's fine as is. So I'm gonna get you turned facing me over this way if you don't mind. Lay on your side. Good. Grab you here. And that was easy. And then I'll get you on the other side. Oh, that was good. Did not take much work. I'm going to get you back face down for me. And then this time, that bends very evenly.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you to go right leg up as high as it'll go in the air again. Good, and left. Good. Like that. Next piece here, I'm going to bend you up. I'm going to have you relax, just let the legs turn out. That's pretty good actually, I like that.
Alright.
And then just gently hold that into my hand. I'm going to try and turn you out. Good. Same thing on the other side, just hold my pressure here. Good. Definitely some tightness in through here. Nice deep breath in. Good. Good. And same thing here. Good. And those guys are not super happy. I'm just going to shift the camera here. Going to bring your head over here. And I'll switch your sides. Beautiful. Alrighty, Eric, I will get you on your back when you're ready for me here.
Yep.
So upper cervicals on the left side are very, very tight. And then, good. And that's moving much better. I'm going to give you a tug through the ankle here.
Go ahead.
Nice.
The big toe never cracks. Oh, that felt good. That was necessary.
Yeah, that you're gonna be happy with.
Because I trained 2 leg days.
Oh, jeez.
And
Yep.
you know, like the toe grabbing technique you taught me?
Yep.
Yeah, and I try to do that every time I go heavy on the squat, so.
Oh, good.
Yeah. That was good.
There we go. And then I am going to get you to squeeze together for me here. And then push apart for me here. Good. Can you kick up into my hand?
Yeah.
Good. And then same thing, kick up. Good. Alrighty. I don't know how much of this footage we'll end up using, but the next piece here, I'm going to make the table a little longer. I'm going to get you to pull your feet up like that for me. I'm going to try and pull you down. Toes up, I'm going to try and pull the toes down. Good. Toes down, I'm going to try and push you up here. Good. And then push down for me just with the left. And then just with the right. Good. I'm going to get you to go up and in here. I'm going to try and push out. Good. Same thing here. Push out. Good. Okay. Yeah. Seems like it should be moving fairly well for you. Ideally, it won't be giving you too many issues. Because I think part of the video wasn't mirrored, eh? It was that right leg that was collapsing in, or the right foot?
Yeah, it wasn't mirrored, just the right leg.
Because I suspect that's partially coming, from a little bit of a restriction in through the knee.
Yeah.
There we go. And then hold that out for me.
Oh, out?
Yeah, you got it. Good. And I'm just going to get this out of the way. There we go. So bring it up here. Just bring it back. So fairly limited coming back like that. If I adjust in through here, hopefully this makes some nice noise. Not bad. But pretty significant difference there. And then I'll switch you sides here. And again, fairly loaded there. That was huge. And hugely better. Good. From here, I'm going to bend you. I'm going to have you turn up into my hand.
Yeah.
That's nice and solid. And then turn down into my hand. Also nice and solid. How are those feeling for you?
Pretty good.
Can you punch into my hand here?
Yeah.
Good. And then hold that back. I'm going to push your elbow forward. Good. I'm going to bring you up flat. Hold that up into me. And then I'll turn your thumb down. Hold that down. I'm going to try and lift you here. Good. Also really good. Same thing over here. I'm going to bring you up. Press up into me to start. And then I'll turn your thumb down. Hold that down. Good. We'll bend your elbow here. Turn up into me here. That could be a lot happier.
Yeah.
So let's try that again. I'm going to hold you right here and hold that up into me. Much happier. Same thing if I hold you back here, hold that up. Fair bit happier. You get relaxed there, and I am going to grab the percussor. Thank God it's corded, or otherwise I'd never find it. Sorry, it's going to get a little tender right in here.
That's fine.
Not the worst thing I've ever done to you, but
Yeah.
it's a very knowing nod.
I think that pelvis crack was the worst.
Yep.
Always. The groin one. Oh God.
It's just such a funny feeling getting that reset. You're right. Alright, let's try that again. I'm going to bring you up here. Turn that up into me. Much better.
Yeah.
And then turn that down into me. That's quite good.
Yeah.
I'm going to have you punch into my hand here. Good. And then hold the elbow back. Good. And you two are typically very tight in that subscap.
Yeah.
So, can you try and turn in across yourself here?
Yeah.
Good, and then let that relax. I'm going to stretch you out to the side, and then hold that in one more time. Not as great. So, this one is going to be one of those terrible things, but I'm going to get right into your subscap here.
Yeah.
Good. Well, let's start popping there.
Yeah, I heard that too. It always clicks. That doesn't bother me though. It's just
I'm glad it's not troublesome, but there we go. Sorry. think you just broke a sweat. Gently, just take a sec, catch your breath, check that out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stretch you here. I'll have you relax,
Yeah.
and then turn that in again. Much better post stretch, and then I'll check the other side too.
Right.
So just start by turning that in, and then relax. I'll stretch you here. That moves better, and then hold that in.
Yeah.
Much better. Good.
When I warm up with the bands, actually, when I bring the band, like when I pull it inward,
Yeah.
I actually hear the click.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
So if I pull the band, like external rotation,
Yeah.
is this external?
Yeah, you got it.
It doesn't click. But when I bring it in, that's where
There's
like
a little
I
bit
hear
of
the
And
click.
it's back there.
Yeah. Do I have a band here? Maybe like you can hear it. I'm not sure if it would still happen right after the adjustment, but
I'm not sure myself, but here, I'm going to give you just some hand
Sure.
resistance if you want to
So-
turn it against me.
I guess not anymore.
No, but that might honestly mean that something we've done, whether it be the adjustment through the shoulder or
Subscap.
getting into that subscap, is going to be pretty helpful for that.
Okay.
There's a couple different things that may be popping back there, but if it's cleaned up at this point, then,
Mhm.
you know, knock on wood.
Yeah.
That means that we're doing the right things for it.
Yeah. 100%.
Anything else holding on anywhere? Wrists, shoulders, elbows?
Like the pec of the
Yep.
the weird word place.
The corco,
Yes.
brachialis. So this one, to test it specifically, is just that pull out. Hold
Okay.
that in for me. You're right. And if I check the tendon there, hold that in again for me. Oh, sorry, that's going to be a yes
Yeah.
then.
Yeah, I can already
And
feel
same
it.
thing. Yeah, you get to relax there. Gonna get right on the coracoid process to start.
Mm-hmm.
You let me know if it's too much.
No, that's fine. You said it's a very small muscle, right? It's not.
Yeah, not a big one. It's more of like a shoulder stabilizer, but if it does go, you'll feel that shoulder start to
Yeah.
destabilize. It'll be harder to hold it in as you press. And then I'm going to turn you up a little bit here. Or actually, I'll hold you up. That'll be the easier way of doing it. There we go.
Yesterday when I benched, after one working set, I was trying to, like,
Hold it in.
yep,
Much better.
yeah. I was trying to massage it or like just stretch it out.
Yep.
And then I felt, let's see if I can still feel it. And like if you put your finger here, like just grab like the pec, like do you feel there's like a tendon right here? Like this one, this thing, right? Oh yeah, like that.
Yeah, like a very tight band. Of
Yeah, and then this side, just compared to it's not even close.
Significantly less so.
Right?
Yeah, so that is
What
going to
is
be.
that? Is that pec major?
I think back minor more than anything.
Minor.
Right in there.
Minor is the more deeper.
Yeah, so it's underneath the major.
Right.
And it goes off a couple ribs up into the coracoid process.
Yeah.
It's more of a breathing thing, but it can get kind of ugly in there. Because it's like you got to go underneath the pec to feel it on you.
I'll probably ask Aaron. to
Yeah,
do
it'll
that.
be
Okay.
not a fun spot to get worked out, but a good spot to get worked out.
If it's necessary, you know. Are we?
Gotcha.
done?
I think so.
Okay.
Feel everything out for me.
Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, all that stuff.
There we go.
Gotta be an influencer.